Hey guys, I just bought a brand new DJI Mavic 3 for a cheaper price. On the JB Hi-Fi website, it was on sale for $1,969, 29% off. Plus JB Hi-Fi sent me a coupon code for 10% off. So it'll be a total of $1,772.10. The original price on the DJI website was 2,079 Australian dollars with the DJI RC remote. Here is a clip of me flying my drone for the very first time. Enjoy! Also, I would like to apologize in advance. I forgot to adjust the exposure on some of the clips. Thank you for watching guys. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.